Minda family.
I, Alka Chauhan.
And I, Prashant Bajpayee, your host and host for the day. We welcome you all to the annual Shining Star event of Aftermarket Division of Spark Minda.
Prashant, let us brief about the platform so that people are okay to use it.
Absolutely. So in front of you, you will find many options to chat and to comment. The chat option is with you to give congratulations, your greetings to all the people who are winning the awards. The comment section is to give your suggestions and valuable feedbacks. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm and positivity.
To keep up the enthusiasm and positivity, we would like to start the event traditionally with lamp lighting ceremony. I would like to request our leadership team to please do the honors. Our CEO, Mr. Neeraj Sharan.
National Sales Head, Mr. Manish Chaturvedi.
HR Head, Ms. Prableen Kaur.
Finance Head, Mr. Ajay Agrawal.
CRM Head, Ms. Kiran Bhatt.
QC Head, Mr. Pankaj Raghuvanshi.
And last but not the least, our SCM Head, Mr. Venkat R. Murthy. Thank you everyone for the lamp lighting. Moving ahead, let's have few encouraging words from our very own Group CEO, Mr. Ashok Minda, a great businessman, a visionary, and a coach. Let's welcome him with a cheering.
Good morning, colleague. Last year, the performance was really outstanding. Even the first quarter of the last year was severe pandemic and the sales were very much affected. And we were not at all thinking that the target will be achieved in the whole year. But you all have achieved unexpected target only because of your big efforts and your wonderful performance. I really congratulate all of you for this unexpected achievement. And this achievement is done even after global pandemic, and this was only possible because of dynamic team of Aftermarket Division, which is not appreciated only by me, but all the board of directors in every board meeting last year, as well as by the investor, everybody have appreciated your good efforts. This is possible only because of your hard work, your team efforts, and your desire for hunger, and your leadership, and you really deserve the appreciation on your achievement. I have also observed for the last 1.5 years, the team of aftermarket division has a greater bonding. For that, I really compliment to the leadership. As I always say, we should develop our capability, and that is only possible when we improve ourselves in all the area, whatever we do. So this year, we have decided to focus on 3 areas. 1, enhancing the core. Second, technology and digitization to make our process and life easy. Third, customer centricity. Our goal of aftermarket division is to be 1,000 crore division of Minda Corporation Limited by 2024. We have worked out the LTS along with you for the aftermarket division, which is around 700 crores, and the gap is still around 250 crores, which we have to decide how to bridge the gap, either by increasing our existing product sale or introducing new product in our portfolio. I understand today we gather here for recognition and reward program. Such program boost morale and motivation, and also help to do better performance. And we must continuously reward to those who perform out of the way, the best. And this should be the initiative at the senior leadership. We all should take it, and I must congratulate to all of you with this. All the best. Good job done. Keep it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for motivating us with the inspirational words.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Pramod Parasramka, Managing Director of Minda Silica, to share his thoughts and guide us.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I hope everyone is safe. Firstly, I want to welcome everyone to the awards and recognition ceremony, which has become possible only because of your achievement over the past year, despite the uncertainty and hardship that were caused by the pandemic. Even during such times, the division has been able to beat the forecasted budget, which is remarkable. This reward and recognition ceremony is a small gesture for your hard work and contribution to the aftermarket division and Spark Minda Group at large. We truly appreciate every bit of effort you have put into make the last year a success, and we look forward to seeing the aftermarket division achieve the new heights under your leadership and team building to beat the 1000 crore mark by 2024. Congratulations once again and wish all of you the very best for the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the kind words. Celebration, celebration, and celebration. The month is full of celebrations. India has its own celebrations and festivals, and we do have our celebrations. Festivals like birthdays, first day celebration, CEO call, and yes, R&R events like this. These all are celebrations.
Well, actually, we don't need festivals to celebrate, Prashant. Shall we focus on the event now?
Absolutely. So now we would like to invite our CEO, Mr. Neeraj Sharan, to share his thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Neeraj Sharan.
I'm delighted to see the winning team of Aftermarket. We all have gathered here to celebrate our success of the last financial year and also to acknowledge the effort and contribution of each and every team members. I'm really enthralled and constantly amazed by the incredible work done by the team, which has shown well-structured, well-coordinated, consistent team performance in all parameters and shown excellence in all fields. Like a circle, the pursuit of excellence has no end, and hence we need to keep on raising our bar and continue surpassing our own best performance. We also salute your unwavering commitment for an outstanding personal performance, as the strength of your achievement is rooted in the depth of your passion. In a high competitive environment, everyone performed exceptionally good. But as a process, reward is given to only one person in each category, and hence the decision is taken sometimes on a photo finish, which you must have observed in the recently concluded Olympic Games. The same was the situation in Aftermarket team, as every individual performance was exceptionally brilliant, and the jury, which comprises of the SMC members, had a tough time to select the winner. But they patiently deliberated for considerable hours and time, considering various parameters, and finalized the winners. A big congratulations to all the winners whose name will be announced in a short while, and also to the entire team for their exceptional performance. Thank you for joining me on the mission of 1000 crore by FY24, which is approximate 30 months from now. It might just not be possible, but you all make me realize we can do anything together. When a team of dedicated individuals makes a commitment to act as one, the sky is the limit. Thank you and enjoy the event.
Thank you very much, sir, for inspiring us.
Absolutely. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we must say that we are having some of them here today with us.
Yes, that's what the event is for, acknowledging the shining stars. With this note, let's open the event and announce our first category. And the first category for the awards is Best Region Award.
And we think people can guess the winner. Is it? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for South Zone.
From achieving more than the assigned target to getting themselves listed in 100 crore mark.
And not to forget, for the winners of Minda Mitra Aftermarket Championship.
Congratulations, Southern Giant Mammoths.
Prashant, let's have some entertainment.
Absolutely. So yes, we also have entertainments for you. I would like to welcome a performance from Mr. Anil Verma with a wonderful dance for you.
So let's welcome Mr. Anil Verma.
Sailing in the sea in the night and we're feeling alright, yeah, we're feeling alright. क्यों लम्हे खराब करें, आ गलती बेहिसाब करें, दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे। क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आधे। दो बार नहीं एक बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी, सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए।
छोड़ के सारा शर्म और बात, मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए।
What a great performance, Anil. Thank you very much for entertaining us. And we will move to the next category of award. But before that, Prashant, एक सवाल है.
पूछिए.
एक आदमी रोज सुबह जाकर पेड़ की एक टहनी पर बैठ जाता था. बताइए क्यों?
शायद उसे लगता होगा वो ब्रांच मैनेजर है.
Absolutely, Prashant. You can guess the next category of award. The award category is a Best Area Managers Award. A manager is a role model, and our area managers have proven this year after year from their outstanding performances. So let us start with the first award, and the first Best Area Manager Award for overall performance goes to Mr. Kamaldeep Singh Sokhi from West Zone.
Congratulations, Kamaldeep, and thank you very much for the wonderful contribution. In the same category of Best Area Manager Awards, we have another category which is for the core products. And the award for the core products Best Area Manager goes to Mr. C. Jaypala Reddy from South Zone.
Congratulations, Mr. Reddy. And the next award goes to for new product group. And it's Mr. Giridhar Bhatt from South Zone.
Well, finance for any organization is a very crucial part.
Of course.
And in the language of sales, we call it financial performance, or collections. And yes, you have guessed it right. The best area manager for financial performance. And the award goes to Mr. Nirav Panchal from West Zone. Congratulations, Nirav, for the wonderful performance. Life is all about accepting new challenges and acquiring new skills. So here we present to you another category of awards. And the category name is New Product Introduction Award.
And the winners are Mr. Harshdeep from North Zone,
Congratulations, Harshdeep. In the same category of New Product Introduction Award, the next award goes to Mr. Nirav Panchal again from West Zone.
Well done, Mr. Panchal. You have bagged 2 awards already. And the same category award, the new product introduction for East Zone, goes to Mr. Amrendra Kumar Tiwari.
Congratulations, Mr. Tiwari. In the same category, there are many names, but yes, the next name is Mr. Mrityunjay Tiwari from North Zone.
Congratulations, Mr. Tiwari. And from South Zone, we have Mr. C. Jayapala Reddy.
Congratulations, Mr. Reddy. Alka, do you know that we have more than 175 people online live watching us?
Great, great, great.
Thank you very much all for participating in this event and watching us live.
And making it worth. Thank you.
Moving on. Alka, I was thinking that we have a new member in our family. I think the newest one. Can we hear from her as well?
Would you like to? Even she would love to address us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Miss Prableen Kaur, the energetic HR head, on the stage.
Namaste. What a great occasion of celebrating success. Success of hard work, success of teamwork, and success of your persistent efforts. I'm truly overwhelmed to witness the event showcasing the transformatory growth of Aftermarket Division. For me, it is a great opportunity to be a part of this great team and today connecting with all of you through the virtual platform celebrating success. Success of your dedication to the way of achievement. As it is rightly said, nothing great achievement is possible without persistent efforts. I'm sure you must be feeling very proud of you today and must have developed a confidence in your abilities to rise to the challenging occasions. My heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to all of you for this immense success. And also a great gratitude to all the respective family members due to cooperation of whom this day has been made possible. We are because of you. Thank you so much and enjoy the event.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am, for boosting up the celebratory spirit even more.
Before moving on, Alka,
Yes.
do you know?
What?
एक बार एक एम्प्लॉय अपने मैनेजर के पास में गया
Acha.
एंड ही सेड, सर आपकी शर्ट बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
Really?
यस. यू नो व्हाट वाज द आंसर?
I can't guess.
छुट्टी नहीं मिलेगी.
But my boss is not like this anymore.
Okay. Let us move on the next category. And the next category is Mr. Product Award. And as we all know, we have a lot of products.
And to cater the same, we have a lot of awardees as well, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Mr. Product Award. And for the lock segment, the winner is Mr. Manjunath R from Bangalore South Zone.
Congratulations, Manjunath, for achieving such success in the lock category. The next category is for the wiring harness product, and the award goes to Mr. V. Bhaskar Reddy from Vijayawada South Zone.
Congratulations, Mr. Reddy. For instrument category, we have Mr. Gaurav K. Yagnik from Gwalior West Zone.
Congratulations, Gaurav, on the achievement. Moving on next to the next category or the next product award, which is for the auto electricals. The award goes to Mr. Abhinav Birthare from Indore West Zone.
Congratulations, Abhinav. For the cable segment, we have Mr. Sarvesh Kumar as a winner from Lucknow North Zone.
Congratulations, Sarvesh. Next product category is CDI. We talk about it daily in our offices.
Of course.
And the award for CDI category goes to Mr. Anil Kumar after his wonderful performance from Ludhiana North Zone.
Congratulations, Anil. And for the filter segment, we have filtered Mr. Arindam Majumdar from Kolkata from East Zone.
Congratulations, Mr. Arindam. Next, for the brake shoe pads, and the award is won by a person who lives in very east of our country. This is Mr. Anirban Roy from Guwahati East Zone.
Well done, Anirban. For the clutch plate, we have Mr. Raghavendra Mishra from Delhi North Zone.
Congratulations, Raghavendra. Moving on, we have only 2 categories left. And I hope you have guessed it right. The next category is for the product bearing, and the award goes to Mr. Dharmendra Tiwari, Mumbai West Zone.
Congratulations, Dharmendra. And for the Viper segment, it's Mr. Vipul Agrawal from Muradabad North Zone.
Congratulations, Vipul. We have more than 175 people on this live event. You can congratulate your colleagues in the comment section
Chat section as well.
and chat section.
Ladies and gentlemen, festivities all around the corner. Tomorrow we are going to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. So to keep this festive spirit alive, let us have a small quiz. And guess what? You can win some exciting gift hampers as well. Over to you, Prashant. Kindly explain the quiz terms and conditions to all of us.
Thank you. Well, the quiz is very simple. As you can see the screen, this will be based on our theme, which is Independence Day. We have 6 questions. We'll show you the options. We have 4 options in every question. To answer, you can comment in the comment section and give your answers.
In the comment section only, not in the chat section. Answers can be seen by everybody.
Yes. So the answers can be given on the comment section. And the first person to answer right will win exciting prizes.
Like fastest finger first, Prashant.
Yes. Kaun banega crorepati?
And when we will announce the winners?
We will announce the winners towards the end of this session.
Great.
So let us start the quiz with our first question. First question, please. And the first question is on your screen. Which of the following moments immediately followed the partition of Bengal? I'll repeat for you again. Which of the following moments immediately followed the partition of Bengal? And the options are non-corporation movement,
It's non-cooperative movement. The next is Swadeshi movement.
civil disobedient movement.
And the fourth is Gadar movement.
You can write your answers in the comment section, and the first person to answer right will win exciting prizes. I hope you have enough time and you had enough time to answer the questions. Let us reveal the right answer. And the right answer, Alka, is
Swadeshi movement.
wow.
Let us move on to the next question, please.
Absolutely. So the next question for you is, which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India?
And the options are Fort William,
Fort St. George,
Fort St. David?
Fort St. Angelo.
Answer it fast, guys. It's fastest finger first. In the
Please
comment
answer in
section.
your comment section. Wow, we have a lot of right answers.
And wrong answers as well, Prashant.
Yes, yes. So let us reveal the right answer for this question. And the right answer for this question is Fort St. George. Moving on to our third question, Alka.
Please. When did Governor General's rule end in India? I am repeating the questions for you. When did Governor General's rule end in India? The options are
15th of August 1947,
9th of August 1948,
26th of January 1950.
2nd of October 1950.
I'm sure that everybody would be knowing this.
Of course, this question is quite easy, Prashant.
I can see that many of them know this. Yes.
Yes, we are getting the right answers.
Absolutely. Yes. So let us reveal the answer because we have already got the right answer. And the right answer is 26th January 1950.
What an easy question, Prashant. Moving on to the next question, please. Which one was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? Repeating the question. Which one was the first major battle fought by British India Company? Answer options are
Battle of Plassey,
Battle of Buxar,
Revolt of 1857.
Battle of Panipat. What's your answer?
Please write your answers in the comment section.
Oh, we have got the right answer, Prashant.
Okay. So let us reveal the right answer then in that
Please,
case.
please.
And the right answer of this question is Battle of Plassey.
Let us move on to the next question, Prashant, please.
So we have our second last question, which is the fifth question with us. What was the name of the mission sent by British government to India to seek cooperation during World War II?
I'm repeating the question for you. What was the name of the mission sent by British government to India to seek cooperation during World War II?
And the options are Cripps Mission,
Simon Commission,
United Kingdom Cabinet Mission.
Morley Minto Mission.
Please give your answers in the comment section.
This is a tough question. Huh?
I think this is a tough question. We will have to give some time to people.
Yes.
Come on, hurry up. Okay, we are getting few
Answers?
answers.
Yes.
Yes.
Even I don't know the answer, Prashant, so I cannot tell you that which is the right answer.
Okay.
Let's
So
reveal it.
let us reveal the right answer. And the answer for this question is Cripps Mission. Moving on to our last question, Alka.
Yes, Prashant, please. The patriotic poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by whom? The patriotic poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by whom? ये आंसर सबको पता होगा. Everyone must be knowing this answer.
Let us give the options. And the options are Kartar Singh Sarabha,
Ram Prasad Bismil
Muhammad Iqbal.
और Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
I hope everybody knows here. Yes, we can see everybody knows the answer.
The last question is the easy question for you guys.
So there are a lot of prizes to win, and the first person to answer will win the prizes.
Of course.
And the right answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे ए जालिम, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है.
Thank you for your participation, guys.
Thank you very much for your participation.
It was really wonderful. So, once again, congratulations to all the winners. And let us move to the next category. And the next category of award is the Best Sales Executive.
For the exceptional performance in bringing new business and maintaining current business at the very grassroots level of retailers and mechanics.
Prashant, quiz round was quite brainstorming, no?
Yes,
Can we have some entertainment before that?
absolutely.
So let us invite our colleague, Mr. Vinod Kumar, who will play guitar for us, a very soothing guitar he plays. Guys, you must hear this. You must have to see this performance. Please.
So let's have the performance, please.
Very well done, Vinod. It was really soothing and mesmerizing performance. I hope you all have enjoyed it.
So once again, let's move to the category for the exceptional performance in bringing new business and maintaining the existing business at the very grassroots level of retailer and mechanics. And the award category is the best sales executive.
And the first winner is Mr. Arindam Majumdar from Kolkata West Zone. Congratulations, Arindam. And Arindam is from East Zone. He is begging the second award. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations. For the same category of best sales executive, the next award goes to Mr. Naresh Chandra Salvi from Udaipur North Zone.
Congratulations, Naresh. And from the South Zone, we have Mr. V. Bhaskar Reddy from Vijayawada. V. Bhaskar Reddy, please.
And the only region remaining is West Zone. I'm sure you would be waiting that who is the winner.
I'm crossing the fingers.
And the winner from West Zone in the category of Best Sales Executive is Mr. Pramod Barik from Mumbai.
Congratulations, Pramod. Ladies and gentlemen, service is a crucial aspect of any organization. And so our next award is, let us bring the Best Field Service Executive Award in front of you all.
Can you guess who is the person? Please write in the
chat
comment
box.
section or the chat section.
Prashant, I think we should reveal it.
Okay,
Please.
okay. So the award for Best Field Service Executive goes to none other than Mr. Natwar Singh from Agra North Zone.
Well done, Natwar Singh. Well done. Life is not accumulation. It is all about contribution. With this thought, let's move to the next category of award, which is Significant Contribution Award.
We would like to acknowledge the exceptional contribution over and above the expectation as shared by our CEO, Mr. Neeraj Sharan. So in the category of Significant Contribution Award, the first award goes to none other than Mr. Siddharth from PMG department. So congratulations, Mr. Siddharth. I must say, by the photo I can say, मूछे हो तो नथु लाल जैसी,
नहीं,
वरना
प्रशांत,
ना हो.
नहीं प्रशांत, मूछे हो तो सिद्धार्थ जैसी, वरना ना हो.
Okay, taken.
Congratulations, Siddharth. And the second winner of the same category is Mr. Vikas Bhatt from Noida IT department.
Congratulations, Vikas, for the wonderful performance over and above the contribution in terms of expectations. Moving on to next in the same category of Significant Contribution Award, the next award goes to the department which does the most work in the organization.
As if.
Okay, I'm sorry. And the award goes to Mr. Ramesh Kumar from HR department, Noida.
Congratulations, Ramesh, and really you have done very well. And the next award is, Prashant, I'm very excited to announce this name. You know why?
So?
The next award goes to my buddy in the organization.
Okay.
And she has really helped me very much in going well with the organization's rules and cultures and everything possible.
Well, I would like to pay my thanks and regards for doing such a kind effort.
Of course. And I'm also thanking her with announcement. It's Miss Deepmala Mutreja, Noida CRM department.
Well, in the same category of Significant Contribution Award, I actually wanted to announce the name, but I guess you can guess if I say you one line. Hello, Mal nikla kya?
Can I guess the answer, please?
Yes, please.
It's Mr. Veersen.
Yes, and the next award goes to Mr. Veersen Kumar from SCM department, Noida.
No doubt you have won the award, Veersen. And the next award is going to be very much excitement for you, Prashant, I think.
Absolutely, yes. But
But
I
you-
thought I will reveal it after you announce the name.
Yes, let me announce the name. It's Mr. Kamal Rochani from Noida Finance Department.
Congratulations, Kamal. And I would like to pay my sincere regards to all the efforts you have done since you are my buddy.
Very well done, Kamal.
Okay, moving on in the same category of significant contribution award, we have our last awardee, and I think you can guess the name. If you can, please write in the comment section.
Let them write, Prashant. Let us have a few guesses.
Okay. No. No.
Not this.
No. Okay, I think these
We should
people-
reveal it.
Yeah, we should reveal it. So the next award and the last award in the significant contribution category goes to Mr. Prakash K. Noida from QC department. Congratulations, Prakash, for the wonderful performance. Moving on, we have come to a juncture to reveal the most prestigious award of aftermarket division. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hold your breath. Let's give a round of applause for CEO Award. Exceptional performance recognized by our CEO.
And the award goes to none other than Mr. Giridhar Bhatt Gurpur, ASM Karnataka from South Zone. Congratulations, Mr. Bhatt. And personally, I would like to take some tips and tricks to, get the award next year. Prashant, what say?
We will visit South Bangalore once, and we.
Of course. Mr. Girdhar, please rest us assured that we will win the next year this kind of award, prestigious award like CEO award.
Absolutely.
Moving on, we would like to request our national sales head, Mr. Manish Chaturvedi, to share his thoughts and the vote of thanks for this event. Mr. Manish Chaturvedi.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I have been assigned the responsibility of giving vote of thanks. I would like to start by expressing my gratitude for Ashok ji and Pramod ji and Neeraj ji for their unwavering support, guidance and advice time to time, which has helped Aftermarket Vertical to achieve the phenomenal performance which was beyond the expectation level. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every member of Aftermarket Vertical for their efforts and for their showcase, determination and dedication towards their assigned responsibilities, which resulted in fantastic results. So, going forward, it becomes very important that the expectation bar will also go up, and the new success story, which is now visible to the organization and has been appreciated by all the management team of Spark Minda, should be maintained. So it becomes very, very important that we maintain the same dedication and determination towards our responsibility, and along with that we continue refining our skill sets so that we are able to meet the organization goal, as well as develop ourselves and by grooming our skill sets, which will help us in growing in our careers. So the only urge and request from my side to each and every team member would be to cultivate and develop the habit of filtering our work responsibility. I would also like to congratulate all the winners for their phenomenal and splendid performance during last year. And on this eve, I would like to urge each and every team member to adapt habit of filtering their areas of responsibility, which should be analyzed on what they are doing, how they are doing, what they are saying, what they are pitching, and it should not be reviewed from your point of view. It has to be reviewed from customer point of view. So believe me, if we adapt to this habit and we follow it on daily basis, all the expected metrics in terms of performance will fall in line. So I will wish all the best for this financial year, and I am confident that this team is capable of producing far better results for the organization going forward. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for such enthusiastic and motivational words.
Absolutely.
And yes, Alka, let me tell you, for next year, CEO Award, we have 3 nominees now. As Girdhar sir has accepted that he will tell all the things, all the good points that how to win CEO Award.
Oh, really?
So we can visit.
Thank you, Giridhar sir. Thank you.
So moving on, as we told you that we will be announcing winners of the quiz.
Oh, did we get that?
Yes, absolutely. We have the winners with us and we would like to announce all the winners for the questions. And the first winner for the question was Mr. Deepak Nanote. Sorry, Mr. Deepak Mohanty from East Zone.
And the second winner of the quiz round is Mr. Gaurav Soni.
And the third winner of the quiz round is Mr. Sarthak Grover.
And the fourth winner of the quiz round is my favorite, Mr. Dipankar Bhattacharya, East Zone Regional Manager.
And the second last winner, the fifth winner of the quiz round is Mr. Devender Sharma.
And the last winner, but not the least of the quiz round is Mr. Manish Krishnakant Mehta. Congratulations.
Congratulations all on winning exciting prizes.
Just make sure that gifts are reaching to them on time.
Yes, definitely.
And arrange one for me as well.
Okay.
Prashant, I would like to admit that reward and recognition events never ends in the organization like ours. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. What say?
Absolutely. With a heart filled with hopes and gratitude, we are signing off now.
But before that, I think we should wish the Independence Day. No?
Yes, absolutely.
So we wish you all a very happy
Independence Day.
And congratulations to the winner.
Congratulations to all the winners on winning such exciting awards and standing out in the event as winners.
And thank you everyone for participating in the event, and thank you for making this event fruitful and enjoyable. Thank you the performers, thank you for the team, thank you for the HR department.
Thank you very much all. With this, I, Prashant Bajpayee,
I, Alka Chauhan, signing off for today. Thank
Good
you
day.
everyone.
Thank you.